In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and open past threads in the Perplexity app on your iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to locate an older conversation in just a few taps, even if you only remember a word or two from your original question. Start by opening the Perplexity app on your iPhone. Once it's open, look to the very top left corner of the screen and tap the profile icon. This takes you to your profile area where you can access your account details and, most importantly for today, your conversation history. To make sure you're looking at your saved chats, scroll down to the bottom of this profile page and tap Threads. Threads is where Perplexity stores your previous conversations, organized so you can come back to them anytime. If you don't see it immediately, keep scrolling. It's typically near the bottom. Once you're on the Threads page, you're in the right place to search. At the top of the Threads page, tap the search bar. This search filters your saved conversations, not the web, so it's perfect for tracking down something you've already asked. Now type a keyword or phrase from a previous question. You don't need to remember the exact wording, just try a distinctive term you used, like a topic name, a tool, or a unique phrase. For example, if you once asked about a specific feature or tutorial, type the word that stands out most from that query. As you type, matching threads will start appearing below in real time. You'll see a list of your past conversations that contain the word or phrase you entered. If the list looks too long, refine your search with a more specific term. If nothing shows up, try a broader or alternate keyword that still relates to your original question. Small variations often help, especially if you're not sure of the exact phrasing you used. When you spot the conversation you're looking for, simply tap the thread to open it. The full conversation will load, letting you review the complete exchange from start to finish. You can scroll through the messages to revisit the answers, context, and any follow-ups you discussed. This is especially useful if you're continuing a project or need to confirm details you previously explored. To recap, open Perplexity, tap the profile icon, go to Threads at the bottom, use the search bar at the top, type a keyword from your question, watch the matching threads appear, and then tap the one you want to read. That's all it takes to quickly find and reopen past conversations on your iPhone.